Hello everyone, this is episode 3 of a series called Cosmic Basics. Today we'll talk about one of the least talked about planets in our solar system, Mercury. Anyways, I hope you enjoy. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, the small planet and the planet with the shortest orbit. Mercury isn't the most interesting planet in our solar system. Personally, I consider it to be the most boring compared to other bodies in our solar system. Even so, it does have some interesting features that make it stand out. It has the smallest size of any planet, being only 2,880 kilometers in diameter. The planet itself is desolate and barren. Mercury's internals consist of a solid inner core, surrounded by a molten outer core that is in turn under a rocky mantle, covered by a thin crust. Mercury does have an atmosphere, but it's very faint and thin. It's mostly composed of hydrogen, helium, oxygen, potassium, etc. Mercury takes about 88 Earth days to orbit the Sun, while a day on Mercury is 58 Earth days. 13 Earth and 30 Earth minutes. The day side of Mercury is 703 degrees Kelvin, while the night side is 453 degrees Kelvin. Mercury is relatively unaffected by seasons, and it has an almost straight axis that is only 2 degrees tilted. The most visible geographic feature of Mercury is its crater-filled surface. Some craters may be small or large. Some craters are named after scientists. The surface of Mercury most resembles that of our own moon. The grayish-white colors are shared between the two bodies. Only 3 missions have ever went to Mercury. The first mission to visit Mercury was Mariner 10. It wasn't able to orbit the planet, but was able to fly by the planet multiple times. It gave us the first detailed images of Mercury, such as this image of Mercury showing Mercury in its true colors. Another mission was the Messenger mission. It flew by Mercury multiple times and finally managed to orbit it. It gave us crucial data about Mercury. Here are some images it took of the surface of Mercury. Lastly, we have the BepiColombo mission between the Japanese Space Agency, JAXA, and the European Space Agency, ESA. It flew by Mercury recently and managed to give us some interesting images of Mercury's surface as shown here. Thank you for watching this video. I try to make the video as interesting as possible despite talking about such a boring planet. No offense, Mercury. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Consider subscribing if you haven't already, as it helps out a ton. Anyways, this was Cosmic Arc.